Running a design thinking workshop. You look excited. But where are your materials? Ah, yeah, there they are. A beautiful cardboard box full of post-its and Sharpies and more. Now you're ready for action. Go get 'em, Tiger. Or maybe not. That box not as professional as it seems, and those tools, you're just missing way too many. But wait, there's hope. An idea. Oh look, he's doing math. It must be important. Oh yeah, a little BS goes a long way. A brilliant idea. The one-stop workshop. Look at its simplicity, its curves, its incredibleness, its audacity.
So by now you're probably wondering, what is in this one-stop workshop? What magic does it have? Can it roll? Pretty much. So let's get a closer look and see what all the goodies we can find in this one-stop, single, magical creation. So we've got a timer, just like any good sprint would need, right? We've got miscellaneous, I just had a workshop, so we've got miscellaneous Sharpies going on, got your basic tape, you got your bottle opener for the celebrations at the end. But let's dive into the details and see what really makes this special. So here we've got name tags if needed. We've got simple stickers for voting, the classic dots. We also have something I really like for doing the lowest hanging fruit, pun, pun, pun. And they smell delicious. Then on this side, we've got for prototyping, every color of Play-Doh you could ever want. Here for for cutting paper, we have scissors. Various Sharpies, we've got Post-its, but the extra sticky Miami colored Post-its, can't do any better. Assorted color markers. We've got straws. Straws are great for building all kinds of prototypes. Here we have dry erase markers. Of course we do, but that's because we use your own custom whiteboard that you can design and iterate on yourself, handhelds if you don't have a whiteboard. Down here we've got figurines of all types, right? We've got your Legos, we've got your army men, but then we also have hard, thick paper, so we can make 3D prototypes. Right here we have a little inspiration board, Angry People Innovate, nice one. Down here we have our glasses that help us see the future. Put these bad boys on and you can see 5 years in the future, pretty handy. Lucky technology to even have, right? Down here's kind of our junk box. We have a few other things for prototyping, warm-up exercise with safety clips, picks, and then here's something that sometimes we use, sometimes we don't. No cell phones makes it easy when you have little cubby holes, you know, nice little purchase. So overall, that's the cart, one-stop workshop. Let me know what you think. What would you include? What am I missing? And if you want one, I can give you the details on how I made it. Nice one, Jeff.